Building, testing, and releasing a new software product or update is expensive. And when you're integrating multiple tools and toolchains, a large part of effort can be wasted on just maintaining your toolchain. When your delivery teams spend their time on the toolchain and dealing with the islands of data and integrations, they're not working on what's really important: solving business problems. As a result, even if you've embraced DevOps, you may not be delivering software as fast as you could be. Luckily, there's a better way. GitLab replaces your entire tool stack with a single application. From planning to creating, releasing to monitoring, GitLab covers the entire DevOps lifecycle, with no need to waste your time and money on integrating and maintaining disconnected tools and data. With GitLab, all your teams can collaborate on projects simultaneously, avoiding those handoffs that slow everything down. For a DevOps lifecycle that's 200% faster. What's more, everyone can contribute to this open source application, so GitLab is continuously improving. Ready to unite your teams with a workflow that reduces friction and shortens cycle times? Try GitLab today.